Shoe Healer in Doncaster, and we've got a lovely pair of Trickers, and they are the Sea Shade Malton. So it's the extra wide fitting, 6 width fitting. So look in here, look at these beauties. This is the Tricker with the Commando sole 6 fitting, and our customer has asked, can we put brass eyelets in here, which we'll do for him, and put a natural edge. So I'll get on with that, and then we'll have a picture of them when they're all done. So we've taken the old eyelets out. There you go, that's the old eyelets there. We've put the new eyelets in. There's just the last ones there. They just go in this little machine here like that, in there like that. Can you see that? Let me get it onto there. Squeeze that down, and then the next one, and squeeze that down, and there you go. That's with the brass eyelets all in, the natural edge on this Tricker boot, all ready to go out to the customer. We can do that for you. Any Tricker you want altering, messing about with modifications, anything like that, contact us here at the Shoe Healer in Doncaster. Just makes it a little bit special.